You sure you've been cleaning shrimp the right way? A shrimp's vein is its digestive tract containing feces, leftover food, and harmful microorganisms. If it's not removed properly, the shrimp will taste fishy, be less flavorful, and may affect your health. So, how can you remove the black vein quickly and cleanly while keeping the shrimp intact? Today, I will share 4 methods that anyone can easily do at home. Let's get started. The first method, look at the hard, sharp spike sticking out from the front of the shrimp's head. That's the rostrum. The shrimp stomach and liver are located right beneath the spike, so we need to deal with both. Use scissors to cut diagonally along the hard spike. Make a firm cut to remove it completely. Then gently squeeze the remaining head of the shrimp. At this point, the entire brain along with the stomach and liver will be pushed out. The next step is very simple. Just give a gentle pull and you can easily remove the black vein running along the shrimp's back. This is the part that contains undigested waste. In other words, shrimp feces. If not removed properly, the shrimp will have an unpleasant fishy smell and be unhygienic if eaten. This method is pretty easy, right? Pay close attention. I will do it again. Cut diagonally to remove the spike on the shrimp's head. Squeeze the head to push out all the internal organs. Then gently pull to remove the entire intestine. The second method, just a straw with a pointed tip, and you will be surprised at what it can do. Now hold the shrimp with one hand and with the other hand insert the straw between the head and the body. When the straw reaches the right spot where the waste needs to be removed, just pull gently. You will see it comes out completely. See that? That part is internal organs, something we shouldn't eat. Next, use your thumb or index fingers to pull gently, and you will see the shrimp's vein come all the way out of the body, just like that. It's clean. Let's go over it one more time. This method is very simple and easy to follow. Just do it a few times and you will get a hang of it. We should be careful to clean out the shrimp's digestive tract because if not, it's easy to end up eating things that are unclean and not good for your health. The third method. First, take a shrimp and start by pulling the shell on both sides of the head outward. Then gently bend the head to separate it slightly. Next, hold the shrimp's leg with one hand and with the other hand grab the head and gently pull it off. When done this way, the head along with the internal organs and intestine will come out at the same time. If you need to prepare shrimp quickly, this is a reasonable option. Although it doesn't keep the shrimp whole, it works for both fresh and frozen shrimp. I will do it again so you can visualize it more easily. I believe that with this method, even someone with no prior experience can confidently clean shrimp easily and thoroughly. With just a few rounds of practice, you will find the whole process become quick and incredibly easy. The fourth method, use one hand to hold the shrimp's head and the other hand to hold the body. Then gently bend to separate the head and the body like this. Next, use 2 fingers to gently squeeze the shrimp's head. The liver and stomach inside will be pushed out. You can see it's really dirty, isn't it? Next, slowly pull along the length of the shrimp to remove the vein. When you do this, the entire intestine, because it's quite sharp and can easily poke your hand if you're not careful. Then trim off the shrimp's whisker to make it look neat and nice. Please share this video with families and friends. Thanks for watching.